This is a video on how to replace the screen on a Lenovo Ideapad S405. So there's no screws to remove the bezel. All you do is reach it and pull it apart. Before we do that though, we need to remove the battery. So we're going to unlock it, remove the battery, and then just reach in and pull the bezel off. It just snaps on, and don't pull it too far away from the case, just enough to hear the snap. So there's no screws that have to be removed, and you just don't want to crack the bezel. As you open it up further, you can get down to the bottom. And then just pull it away from the screen at the bottom, and as you pull it up, there's two little hinges that will lift out. Then there's just 4 screws, here, 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 here. It takes a small Phillips head screwdriver, so you want to remove those screws. Screw. And then there's 2 more screws at the bottom. Once those screws are out, you can just pull out the screen, and there's a piece of tape on the connection. So just peel that tape off. So that connection just goes straight in to the screen there. Now, taking the new screen, you have a protective cover. Leave that on, but peel back these 2 tapes that hold it on, and then make the connection and re-tape it. So the connection goes in from the bottom and then retape it. Now you can reposition the screen and put the screws back in. Taking off that cover. One more screw. So then you just take this bezel and feed it back in to the two hinges there. And then starting at the bottom, just snap it back into place. And you can check the edge to make sure there's no gaps. Okay, so now we have the screen replaced, and we can put the battery back in. Lock it. Open the screen and turn it on. So the screen comes up. There's a couple more snaps here at the bottom. And that's how you replace a screen for the Lenovo Ideapad S405.